Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Priyendra Kumar. In this video, you will learn how we can create a focus chart in Microsoft Excel. So as you are seeing my screen, I have these four teams here, PK, Jack, Laura and Bob. And this is the sale of the team. And now whoever team has the maximum sale will be showcased using this hanging light focus. Now you can see the maximum sale has been done by PK. So that's why this hanging light is here. Now if I will change the value, let's say Jack has made 2100 sales, then this light automatically move to the Jack and this data label also will be changed. Now similarly, if I will put here for Bob, let's say 3200, then it will be highlighted automatically. So friends, this chart can be very useful in your business dashboard, client dashboard, or even business presentation to your client or the other stakeholders. Now I'll tell you how can you create this innovative chart in Microsoft Excel. So I'll use this data. I'm going to add a new worksheet. Just click on this plus button and just paste this data here. First of all, I would like to remove the grid lines from here. So I'll go to the view and uncheck the grid lines. Now to create this chart, I need two support column. One, I'll take the image size, and the image size will be by default I'm taking it as 5. And now I'll take the hanging light. So here I will use a formula to take the hanging light, and the formula will be if this value equal to the max of this range, and just freeze this, then it will show the 130% of this image size. So multiply by 130%, and otherwise it will show the hash any. And now just fill this down. So you can see 6.5 is here. Now if I will change the value, let's say this 3500, then the 6.5 will be here. So whoever is the maximum, the 6.5 will be available there. Now friends, I'll create the chart. So I'll select this team and this image size and hanging light. I'll not select the sales. So I'll go to the insert and charts. I'll select this 2D clustered column chart, this one. Now here for this hanging light, just right click here, go to the change series chart type, and for this hanging light I'll select this chart which is line with marker. Click on OK. Now here you can see one marker point is available. Now right click on this axis, the vertical axis, go to the format axis. Now here in format axis window, you can see the minimum value as 0, it always should be 0, and the maximum should be 10. Alright, now just close this. Now we will make the chart size little bit of bigger like this, and we will remove this vertical axis, these grid lines, select and press delete, and the legend also select and press delete. For this line, just select this axis, horizontal axis, go to the format, take the shape outline as no outline, make it bold, bigger and black. Just remove the chart title, or you can give the chart title whatever you want to give here. For the time being, I'm just removing it. Now I'll create this hanging light shape here using the auto shape in Excel. So I'll go to the insert and then shapes. So first of all, I'll take this shape which is called pi. Under basic shapes, just click on this and just click here. So this pi shape will be created like this. Now pick this yellow handle and rotate this like this till here, and similarly just pick this yellow handle and rotate it till here. So it will be a semicircle now. Now I'll select this and go to the format shape fill. I'll fill some gray color, this one, and the shape outline, again I'll choose the gray, some darker one. So our shape will look like this. Now I'll again go to the insert and shapes, and this time I'll choose this oval from the basic shapes, and I will drag this oval like this. Now select this oval, go to the shape outline, choose as no outline, and the shape fill we will take this yellow color. Now again I will go to the insert shapes, and now this time I'll go to the basic shapes and will choose this one, which is trapezoid, and click here. So shape will be created. Now pick this yellow handle and change the width of the shape. Adjust the shape this way here. Now go to the shape outline, choose as no outline. Right click here, go to the format shape, go to the fill and choose the gradient fill. This is some default gradient is available here. Just remove the one stop from here. The middle stop just keep on 50% position, and now select the first one, then fill this yellow color, same in the second and same in the third. Now choose the first one, and here we will give the 20% transparent, we'll make it 20% transparent. For the second one we will make as 50% transparent. For the third one we will make 90% transparent. So it will look like a light focus. Now we'll go to the insert and shapes, and we'll pick this line. Just drag this line here, just keep this line over this light and take the same color, this gray, and again in shape outline change the weight around 2.25, and now select this line, this shape and this shape. So all the shapes we have selected, right click and make this group. We have created this hanging light here. So now copy this hanging light, press Ctrl C, go to the chart and select this marker and press Ctrl B. So it will be pasted here. Alright friends, now I'll show you in sheet 1. I have copied these 4 images from pixabay.com. Let me show you this. So go to the pixabay.com, select the vector graphics from here and just type here business people. You will get the multiple images. So I have taken it from here and just crop this, and then you can use this. So let me copy this and go to the sheet 2. I'm just keeping this here. I'll select the first image and then select double click on the first bar and just paste this here. Now for the check we will pick another image, let's say this one, and just double click on this bar and just paste this here. Now I'll copy the third image for Laura, this woman image, double click on this so that it will be selected and just paste this here. The last one, we'll select this image, double click here and just paste here. Now your chart is ready. If you will change the number here, so this is PK is highlighted. Let's say I just put here 500. Then you can see now the maximum number is with the Bob, which is 3200. So it is highlighted. Now friends, we will put the data label. So select these images, right click and add data label. Data label has been added, but it is showing number 5 only because it is taking from the image size. So right click here, go to the format data label. Here you will get this value from cells option. If you are using Excel 2010 or less version, then you will not get this option value from cells. So what you can do, you can select one data label, double click, go to the formula bar and you can press equal to and click on this first one, sales, like this, and you will get. But since I'm using Excel 2013, so I will select it, right click, go to the format data label, and here I'll select this value from cells and I will select this range, click on OK. Now I'll remove this value, so letter line. Now my data label are available, make this bold, bigger, black. Now you can see if you will change any value, let's say for Laura I want to make 5,000 sales, then it will be highlighted. Alright friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the watching.